Looking for the perfect ceramic coating for your car? It can be frustrating, right? With so many products claiming to offer unbeatable protection, it's hard to know which ones actually work and which ones leave you dealing with streaks, water spots, and uneven finishes. Protecting your car's paint shouldn't feel like such a challenge, but don't worry, this is where we come in. In this video, we've tested the top ceramic coatings to help you find the one that really delivers. Check the description for product links and some exclusive discounts. Let's dive right in. Starting at number 5, we have Magic Shield Ceramic Coating Pro 10H. This one immediately caught my eye with its self-healing technology. Yes, self-healing, and a bold promise of 24 months of durability. Imagine your car gleaming with a candy-like gloss that instantly makes it stand out. And with enough product in one 50ml bottle to cover 2 cars, it's got plenty of value. The formula is impressive too. Its SiO2 composition bonds tightly to your car's paint, creating a reliable shield against UV rays and those annoying minor scratches. Plus, the water-beading effect? Absolutely satisfying. Rain rolls right off, and the high-gloss finish stays vibrant even after countless washes. If you love that fresh-out-of-the-showroom look, this coating delivers. But here's the catch. While it's great on paint, it's not ideal for glass surfaces. Some users reported a stubborn film forming on their windshields, which can be a pain to remove. And after heavy rain, a few customers noticed black stains on the paint that required a bit of extra elbow grease to clean off. Another thing to consider is the application process. It's not as simple as it sounds on the box. To achieve the best results, you'll need a well-lit and controlled environment. So if you're planning to apply it in your driveway on a windy day, you might want to reconsider. For its price, these are important factors to weigh before making your decision. Have you tried Magic Shield or another ceramic coating before? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and share your experiences. It helps the whole community. And stay tuned, because the best products on this list are still to come. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's next. At number 4, we have Adams Polish's Advanced Graphene Ceramic Spray Coating. This product brings something genuinely exciting to the table: UV tracing technology. This feature helps you spot any areas you might have missed during application, making it incredibly useful, especially for DIY car care enthusiasts. It's always reassuring to know you've covered every inch. One thing I really like about this product is how approachable it feels. The spray format is far less intimidating than traditional ceramic coatings, making it perfect for beginners. And here's the best part. It works beautifully on multiple surfaces, including wheels and trim. Talk about versatility. The graphene oxide formula offers solid protection that can last up to 18 months, provided it's applied under optimal conditions. The water-beading effect? It's outstanding. Watching rain roll off your car with ease is both satisfying and practical, as it helps maintain that clean, polished look. Plus, upkeep is a breeze. Just stick to regular washing, and you're good to go. It's a product that fits seamlessly into your routine. That said, let's talk about a few things to keep in mind. The UV tracing technology, while clever, does require you to buy a separate UV light to take full advantage of it. And while many users are happy with the durability, others have noticed the coating showing wear after just 6 to 8 months in harsher climates. Finally, the spray bottle design could use some work. It occasionally clogs or sprays unevenly, which can be a bit frustrating. So, what do you think? Have you tried Adams Polish's Advanced Graphene Ceramic Spray Coating, or are you considering giving it a shot? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Share your experiences or let me know if you have any questions. There's more to come on this list, so stick around to find the perfect product for your car. At number 3, we have the Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Spray Coating, a product that truly balances affordability and performance. If you're looking for solid protection without breaking the bank, this might just be the one for you. Its super hydrophobic SiO2 polymers deliver exceptional water beading, and the synthetic wax polymers bring a beautiful depth and shine to your paint. Watching water slide off your car effortlessly is always satisfying, isn't it? What makes this product stand out is how easy it is to apply. Spray, wipe, and buff. It's that simple. And unlike many other ceramic coatings, you can use this in direct sunlight, which is a huge win for those of us who don't have a garage or prefer working outdoors. Flexibility like this makes car care so much easier. Plus, the 6-month protection claim is realistic, and it does an excellent job of preventing road grime from sticking to your car's paint. But like every product, it has its quirks. If you're new to using it, there's a bit of a learning curve. Using too much product can cause streaking, so less is definitely more here. While the shine is impressive for a spray coating, it doesn't quite match the mirror-like finish of traditional ceramic coatings. Some users have also reported spotting after heavy rain, which is something to keep in mind. Lastly, although it works on most surfaces, it's not recommended for convertible tops, so you'll want to avoid those. What do you think? Have you used the Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions ceramic spray coating before? Let me know in the comments. Your insights could help others make the right choice. And if you're still looking for the perfect product, stay tuned. There's even more to come. You won't want to miss it. Taking the second spot is Nexgen Ceramic Spray Silicon Dioxide. If you're looking for a professional-grade sealant in a convenient spray format, this one is definitely worth your attention. Its high-grade SiO2 formula creates a protective layer that's not just durable, but also incredibly slick to the touch. And the finish? It's stunning. The mirror-like shine it delivers easily stands out in the spray coating category, giving your car that polished, showroom-worthy look. What's even better is how far one bottle goes. With enough product to coat a mid-sized sedan up to 5 times, it's a cost-effective choice for regular maintenance. And let's talk about the application process. It's as simple as it gets. Just 3 quick steps and you're done. The results? Instant. The gloss and depth are truly remarkable right from the first application, which makes it super satisfying to use. But like any product, it's not without its challenges. While the water-beating performance is great initially, it tends to lose its edge a bit sooner than some competitors. For outdoor cars, the durability may not live up to the longer periods suggested. It's more realistic to expect 3 to 4 months of peak performance. Another thing to keep in mind is the spray nozzle. Some users have experienced inconsistent quality, with the nozzle producing a stream rather than a fine mist. This can make even application a little tricky, so it's something to watch out for. Have you tried Nexgen ceramic spray? Or do you have a favorite ceramic coating? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your experiences or answer any questions you have. And don't go anywhere. The top spot on this list is still to come, and it's one you won't want to miss. The top spot goes to Adam's Advanced Graphene Ceramic Coating, a product that truly stands out in the world of car care. This 10H hardness coating doesn't just promise superior protection, it delivers it. The graphene-infused formula creates an ultra-durable barrier that, when properly maintained, can last over 7 years. Imagine not having to worry about scratches, stains, or fading for that long. What makes this product even more impressive is its innovative UV tracing technology. It's a patent-pending feature that lets you see any missed spots during application, a game changer for anyone wanting perfect results. And with 50% higher coating resin content, you're getting enhanced scratch resistance and stain protection that outperforms standard ceramic coatings. It's hard not to get excited about results like these. That said, let's be real. This isn't your average DIY project. The application process requires careful preparation, the right tools, and a controlled environment. While the UV tracing technology is a fantastic helper, you'll need proper lighting and a steady hand to get the best results. This coating is for those who are serious about car care. And yes, the price tag is significant. But when you consider the level of protection and durability it offers, it's an investment that pays off in the long run. Some users have mentioned varying levels of gloss, and this is where preparation and technique make all the difference. The better your prep work, the better your results will be. So, what do you think? Is Adam's Advanced Graphene Ceramic Coating the right fit for your car? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear about your experiences or answer any questions you have. Don't forget to check the link below for detailed product information and the latest prices. And if this review was helpful, hit subscribe for more honest car care tips and reviews. See you in the next video.